Dad's trying to get a snake. Oh my god.
Give me a knife.
Yeah, cut him.
Okay.
Wait, what about
This
one?
knife is big enough.
No, this one.
Oh yeah, Dad.
Dad. Dad.
No.
He's stabbing it. And it's wiggling. Oh my god. Look.
Ew, 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 ew. Daddy, use this one. Cut him in half.
He's gonna slice it. He's gonna slice it.
Yes, please.
Ew. You can hear it. Ah.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Is it hard?
Ow!
He's cutting it in half. Did you cut it in
Can't
half?
wash this off.
Ew, ew.
Touch, tape it.
Is it big? Yes, it's big! God! Dang it, I hate living out here, Earl. Oh, put some gloves on or something.
Okay, give me something to put this in.
Ew, that's a long one.
And it's still moving.
God.
Gross. Ah, that's awesome.
That's bigger than the one on the I know. How did it get in here?
Dear old Dad is at it again. He's getting the snake and cutting it too.
Yeah, but where did it come
Blood.
from?
That's blood. That's sick.
Ew, where did it come from?
Ha 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 ha. I'm a snake killer.
I hate this.
You want to see it?
Blood. That's blood. He's getting ready to see if it's alive or not. Okay, Dad, let go of it. Ugh, oh my god. Is it still?
No.
So, Dad, just keep right there while I wash my hands.
Snake blood.
More like nasty. It's on my nails. That's it.
Are you gonna move?
Mom, what's a harmless little snake? I know, but it's...
Oh my god, that is... Oh!
It's not like bleeding to death. It's like gross.
That's bigger than the one I seen outside. After Daddy showed me outside. Well, not one inside. Oh my god, that's awful. Man, how long does it take to die?
Snakes.
I used my good, I didn't even get to use the mop yet.
Who
Yeah.
cares? It came through juice.
I know. But I didn't even get to use it though.
Ew, it's moving and dripping with blood. That's awesome. And I'm taping it.
That is not funny.
This
How
is gonna be
long?
a YouTube
That's
special.
a long one.
Oh crap! That's
That's only
sick.
part of it.
That is sick.
That's only part of it.
Look at here.
You got the wrong, you should have had the other part, the, nozzle part. That's not even hard.
This is from the creature feature.
That's not the hard part of the mop, Earl. You should use the hand,
No, because then I don't have as much force and room if I use the other.
No, Earl, but how long was it? Because that's long right there.
It's dead now. Dad stabbed it in the head, in the neck.
The
Yeah.
head is little and the body's that
Look.
Yeah, but the
bad.
head can open up. Their mouth can open up.
Awesome.
Put it in bleach.
Yeah. I am the snake killer.
He's measuring it.
Nine inches there. And
How are you gonna measure it in the trash?
let's see. Just grab the tail. 9. Oh wow, 2 feet. Okay, 2 feet. 2.5 feet long.
Wow.
Oh my god.
2.5 feet. 2.5 feet.
Oh.
Cool.